Planning to sell your laptop? Hold on. Before you hand it over, you need to reset it the right way so none of your personal files, passwords, or data stay behind. In this video, I will show you step by step how to completely reset your laptop so it's fresh and safe for the next owner. Just deleting files isn't enough. Your photos, documents, and even saved passwords can still be recovered. A proper reset wipes everything and gives your laptop a brand new start, just like when you first bought it. Let's start with Windows 10 or 11. Click on Start, then Settings, go to Update and Security, then Recovery. Under Reset this PC, click Get Started. Choose Remove Everything to wipe your files. Cloud downloads gets the latest Windows version online. Local reinstall uses the files already on your device. Here we will select Cloud download, then Next, confirm and click Reset. Now your laptop will restart and the reset process will begin. This can take anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour depending on your system. Once the reset is done, make sure your files are gone and the laptop boots up like new. That's it. It's now completely safe to hand over. And there you go. Your laptop is now fully reset and ready for sale. If this video helped you, please give it a like, hit subscribe for more quick tech guides.